start streaming a video. Let's pull some channel in. This should be streaming. Yeah, it's up. Okay, so let's look at Killian's pretty face here. Okay, so there's a couple things you're not going to do. Okay, Andres, you may have to get the 2 lights. Oh, never mind. I'm not going to be able to see Killian. So turn back. Okay, you guys should be able to see this a little bit. It's going to be a 12-second delay or so. 1, Killian is super slouchy right now, right? You don't want to do that. You want Killian to sit up. But you'll notice that if I do that, I'm going to be kind of shooting up Killian's nose a little bit. You want to adjust your tripod, not Killian. You can either adjust it from the legs, and you can add more height to the legs, or you can adjust it from the post. You bring it up. Put it down. Okay. Now you're going to adjust to Killian where you want him to be a little bit closer. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust a way to go here. And then you can come in on him through Zoom. Now, what's the problem with this shot of Killian? It's going to take a second to get to the delay of it. What's the problem with this shot? No, it's going to go in a little bit more here. Killian's got a head coming out from behind him, right? It'd be like if he had a post coming out from behind him. You can drop that down. These are right? It's a little bit creepy, right? You definitely want to avoid that. But look at how Killian is framed. This is super close, folks. You can come back a little bit. Well, maybe not. Get really close to Killian. Like, make that happen. This is getting a little weird. If we come back a little bit, we can frame Killian a little bit more nicely.
Or go straight into my...
Or we can get really weird. But you want to make sure that he's either on one side of that rule of thirds or the other side of that rule of thirds. This is a rather safe type of shot if Killian doesn't have a lot of distraction behind him. The shot where you can see half of his chest and it goes up. Now, obviously you wouldn't want Killian to be doing that during... This is a little awkward for you, isn't it? Why do you keep touching your nose? This is a little weird. But this is a little too centered. You want him to be kind of in the middle. Sorry, over to the side. You want him to be a little bit more over here, right? This is a safe shot. So if you guys, this proportionality, you guys can bring it closer and post if you need to, but it's better if you set it up where somebody's a little bit more over to the side and not in the middle. Now, when I'm interviewing Killian, I'm not going to stand right in front of him because, one, I'm going to be up here. Where's Killian going to be looking? Up, right? I'm going to be in a chair basically over to this side a little bit, sitting here, so I can have an eye-to-eye conversation with Killian and I can monitor the camera. Does that make sense? You don't want to be over here talking to Killian because, watch, he's going to start turning this way, and then you're going to see him, like, there he is looking up. This is more than a 12-second delay today. It's a pretty significant delay, but we're in yellow stream, so Killian's coming over here, and now he's looking at me over here. Is this the type of interview you guys want to turn in? No. Where he's trying to have a conversation with me? Because now what are you paying attention to? You're paying attention to Jasmine's blue sweater. It's a very bright blue sweater. It's going to be distracting. Does that make sense? Okay. When you're done interviewing, you turn off your camera, you hit, button that's, you're not recording anymore. And then you unplug the mic. And you ask your subject to take it out of their shirt and pull it down. Or you can help them if they can't figure it out themselves. And then you let them pull it down. Okay? Same thing, ladies and gentlemen, if you're interviewing a woman, thanks, Kelly. If you're interviewing a woman, have them pull to the side. They should be able, like, I can mic myself in any shirt, so I usually wear an undershirt though. I'm gonna pull it up and I'm gonna mic myself. There's always a way to get into a shirt. That doesn't sound right. There's always a way to do this. Sometimes you're gonna see this black because it's gonna be a lighter shirt. If that really bothers you, I tell people to take it around, come up from the back and come this way. So they can come up from the back of the shirt and come into the front. Does that make sense? That's how you would mic a person. Okay, I'm done with class today because it's now 12:20 and you guys are free to go. Remember that on Wednesday we are going to start tutorials in Premiere. You need to get here on time because I'm going to start on time. I will see you guys then.